you guys, what's up? So today we are going to be unboxing this month's Ipsy Boxycharm. So if you'd like to see what's inside, then just stay tuned. Little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this box to try. All right, so opening up this month's box, we have the little card and it says, this August, let's return to the wild. Restorative skincare, earthy colors, mindful practices. Whether you're hatching new goals or refocusing at work or school, it's time to root yourself in new, uplifting routines that realign with your purpose. And then on the inside of this card, it has some tips and tricks on how to be neutral but make it wild. The first product in this month's Boxycharm Ipsy box is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Toner. This is a refreshing pH balanced toner with vitamins A, E, and C. It energizes the skin and helps remove impurities for the next step in your routine. Next, we have the Dew of the Gods Cucumber and Collagen Vitamin Salt Scrub. You guys, this felt so nice on the skin. This has coconut enzymes to create a unique creamy lather, as well as niacinamide to help calm the skin during the sea salt exfoliation. And then the star of the show in this is definitely the cucumber. Not only does it make this smell absolutely amazing, but it is a natural antioxidant that is going to reduce the appearance of cellulite and saggy skin. It definitely made my body feel more vibrant, more firm, more awake, and I loved it so much. Next in this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Blush, and this is in the shade Pink Dahlia. I do have this on my cheeks today, and it is so, so pretty. Look at the packaging. And then here is the product. And then on the other end is a little blending kabuki brush. So, so cute. Next in the box, we have the Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eyeshadow Palette. And this is such a pretty little palette, you guys. Looks a little something like this. So, so pretty. I'm trying not to blend you with the mirror. But this shade up here is probably my favorite in the palette. Not only is it so, so buttery, but you guys look at that. And it's almost got like goldish, greenish flakes in it. So pretty. Ugh. Let's take this underground. You want that other sound? I've got the best around. Nobody ties me down. Don't wanna mess with me. I'm dangerous, you see. Nobody disagrees. I bring the cavalry. I'm at the top, you know. Last but not least, in this month's Boxycharm Ipsy box, we have the Most Wanted Liquid Lip Balm by Estate Cosmetics. Looks a little something like this, and this is such a pretty shade, you guys. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. Let me know down in the comments below which product was your favorite or which one you hope to get. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.